Hello guys. So if you're looking how you can create amazing artwork from Lensa application, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. But make sure to keep watching the video till the very end. So make sure to keep watching the video till the very end so you are able to do every steps properly. Now, without wasting any more time, let's begin. So firstly, download the application from Play Store or App Store, then open it. And after getting the application, the first thing that you have to do is get a subscription, because without a subscription it will not work. And yes, it is a paid software, it is not a free one. So after getting a subscription, just simply go back to your main screen. Now all you have to do is just simply click on Manage Avatar over here, and after you click on that, you will be at the checkout page. So as I told you earlier, if you have taken subscription, you will get a total 51% off on all of the options over here. So there are three types of options: 54 unique avatars, 108 avatars, or 207 avatars. So for the first time, if you're just trying, you can just simply take the first option and click on purchase and complete your purchase. So just simply choose your plan and click on purchase. And after that, it will ask you to select your selfies. Now it has a very specific criteria of selfies. It should be a close-up selfie. The selfie should be of the same person and the person should be adult. The selfie should have different type of backgrounds, expression, and few head tilted ones. And the most important thing, all of the images that you will take should be camera facing. So for this example, I have taken few of Jenna Ortega's pictures, as you can see over here. Now you have to select at least 10 pictures. So you have to select at least 10 pictures that are completely different and unique and should be camera facing, and there should be nothing else in the background. So choose 10 different pictures and click on import. Now you will be again asked to choose a plan, and don't worry, it's the same plan, it will just ask you again. So choose a plan whichever you may want, then click on purchase and purchase the plan. So again, I will suggest you to take the first plan because it is the most cheapest and you can try it once before you go for the bigger plans. So just simply wait for the purchase to complete. As you can see, the payment has successfully been done. Now it will redirect you to the uploading page. So wait for the uploading to complete. So after the uploading is complete, now this is the main part. Take a whole lot of time to actually create all of the images that you are looking for. So just be patient and wait for it to complete. It might take 12 minutes, 15 minutes, or even up to an hour. So you have to wait for it. Just simply wait for the remaining time, or you can just simply click on notify me when it's done, or you can just simply hide the screen entirely and you can do anything else. So after the rendering is complete, you will see all your avatars over here. So click on pack #1 54 avatars, because that's the amount of avatars that I chose in the payment page. So all you have to do is just simply click on it, and over here you will find all of the images according to the style that you choose. So as you can see, all of the images has been made and they are pretty good looking as well. So now if you want to download all of the posters that you just made, you can just simply click on select all over here, then just simply click save in 4K resolution. And after it is saved, you can find the images in your gallery. So go in your gallery, and over there you will find all of the images that you just saved. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.